I'm Amit Mehta from Inflection Point. We are here to participate in this EAE conference.
It's great. We came from Canada, so it was nice for Schneider to invite us down to the United States to come and learn from the technical geniuses here.
We have a big team, and the idea for us is to learn more about how we can help each other, Schneider and CITI. We want to learn EAE, we want to continue improving EAE.
As our company name says, Inflection Point, we are at the inflection point of the digital transformation. We want to start exploring new opportunities where we can go from PLC world to the software-based automation systems.
I'm really excited to be here today. This is something that resonates a lot with me. It's a vision that I have seen our customers kind of bring up to say like, oh, we don't like the vendor lock.
What I like to get from this training is a better understanding of where this software package type technology is headed. I would also like to be able to understand it enough to talk intelligently with my customers.
We see our customers wanting to have software that they're not tied into. They don't want to be locked into a certain vendor, so we want to be educated on what options are out there.
What makes EA different is striving to make it open. A lot of competitors are trying to keep everything contained and not share, not be able to bridge industry gaps.
What makes EA different is event-driven, is very important. You can be quiet and only say something when it's needed. And that simplicity is what makes it powerful. We want to keep it simple, keep it scalable, and event-driven.
Schneider is very committed to invest with us the education and into the platform itself for universal automation.
With Schneider is more than just a manufacturer or a software provider, it's truly a partner. And I know it's going to be successful. And we're here to be part of that journey.
We are very excited for learning new product and taking it to the customers.
I think there is a lot of potential. I think our customers are going to definitely benefit from this.